What's up, everybody? And Jerry is moving the yard, and today I have two unboxing videos. And one is from Olive, which is going out of order, and one came from it's from Goodwill. So let's open both. First one I'm gonna open is Rubber Dippers. Here comes the Rubber Dippers, and the commuting copy is right over there. And you can see here's the front of it, the spine of it, and the back of it. And episodes are this is Tough Pirates, and episodes are I can't read these episodes, but anyway, let's open this up and see what's inside. Let me go get my knife. Hold on for a minute. Alright, sorry about you guys. And let's open this up.
Shut up.
Sorry about that, guys. That was my fault. And we have freaking Barney here. I love Brennan Barney. It's from Go Anime, you know. Even Super Mario Logan. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the disc. Alright guys, you can see the disc here. And I'm gonna show you the flip that goes to the landscape one. And I'll do the DVD opening. I'll do a DVD opening tomorrow. So, and I'll show you the book flips. These are the book flips in here. Okay. I'm sorry guys, that was somebody. And the next one we have here is High Noon in the Bathroom. Here's the front. Sorry guys, that was just this little part. Here's the front, spine, and the back. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, now I'm gonna show you this, but
I'm just back. It's just a wrong guy.
alright, I'm gonna show you the disc. So here's the disc like, and there's no book flip or anything. If you get a book flip, it's Lionsgate on the opening. So and I have a lot of Curious George DVDs, so I'm gonna do that right now. And I forgot to show you this.
No, Gavin. I'm tired.
Evan, quit. Before stop talking back. That's A restricted. And that's no, stop.
Yeah, I'm moving.
And no. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you this. First one we have is The Land Before Time, The Whiskers Up Front. So here's the front, spine, and the back. This DVD came out at Walmart. When you get it at Walmart, it's just the right case. So here's the disc. Looks like just like Curious George, a Boo Halloween. I do not have a Place Bar or Day of Halloween. The one with that guy trying to take the dog. Now here's Can the Hat, which I do want a cat, but I'm too allergic to it. So here's the disc inside of it. And now we have Robot Monkey. Here's the spine and the back. And here's the disc inside. Here's Goes to a Birthday Party. Spine, back. Here's the disc, which I got it from Target. Next one, this one is a comedian of Curious George Making Friends. Here's spine, back. I do not have Takes a Vacation or Sail with the Pirates. I used to have Sail with the Pirates, but the disc got broke up. And here's the disc inside. Here's Ride a Bike, spine. Here's the disc. Sorry, that's just the plastic inside of it. And last one we have is Save the Day. And this is it. Here's the spine, back. Here's the disc. Alright, and that's the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. See you later, everyone. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe or put me on Instagram. Bye.